Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back again with another tutorial on KodeKloud Engineer. Today we are in Kubernetes. Our task for the day is to execute a rolling update for a deployment integrating this new image. It's the Nginx colon 1.17 and deployment is already running. So we can look that up. We can say kube control get deploy. And there's our deployment right there. It's running. It has 3 pods available. It's been running for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So we're just going to edit this pod with the new image. So it's kube control edit deployment and Nginx deployment. Alright, so we'll go down here to the image, just highlight this, and come down here, and this is where the image is right here, and the spec where the containers is, right there. That's where we're going to make our edit. Let's change this from a 6 to a 7. Update the pods one at a time. As you can see, it says deployment has been edited. So we say kube control get pods, and they're now all running, and they've been running 3, 5, 12, 7. Oh, run it one more time just to make sure all these are new pods. Alright, so these are all fresh pods, and we can go ahead and validate the task by clicking check. And that's how you do it. So I will see you on the next one. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.